Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by locking down inputs so your body learns consistent movement. First, set DPI and in-game sensitivity to values you can repeat. Once done, enable raw input and 1000 HC polling if your mouse supports it. Then jump straight into a short warm-up, 10 to 15 minutes of aim, trainer, and movement drills in the practice range. This immediately reveals issues and primes muscle memory. Make sure to take note of any jitter, inconsistent strafing, or latency that pops up during these initial reps. Now you build the middle mechanics. Train counter-strafing until stopping to shoot feels instantaneous. In practice, aim for that 1/10 to 2/10 of a second recovery. Layer in crouch jumps and controlled jiggle peaks while keeping crosshair height consistent for headshots. Work short, focused blocks. Spend an hour on strafing, then switch to bunny hops or peeking drills. Once you do structured repetitions, you'll rewire movement habits and reduce overcorrections that cost fights. Adjust pace when accuracy dips. Finish by applying changes in live scenarios. Enter deathmatch and prioritize movement-first engagements for 20 to 30 minutes, treating each kill as a data point. After sessions, watch demos and clip reviews to spot exactly when you drift or overstrafe. That insight is gold. If problems persist, troubleshoot hardware and network. Try different USB ports, update mouse firmware, check packet loss, and simplify key bindings. If you follow these steps and iterate, your movement becomes reliable and directly improves your class.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.